Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to copy objects in AutoCAD, step-by-step guide. So let's get started. First, navigate to the Home tab and go to the Modify panel. Over here, click on Copy from the available options. Then select the objects you want to duplicate. After that, press Enter. Over here, specify a base point for the copy. Then specify a second point to place the copied objects. After that, the objects will be copied to the new location. Over here, for copying using displacement, go back to the Home tab and click on Copy again. Then select the objects you want to copy and press Enter. After that, enter the displacement value using coordinates. Over here, when prompted for the second point, press Enter. Then AutoCAD will move the copied objects according to the entered values. Over here, for copy and paste using a base point, press Ctrl-Shift-C or type copy base in the command prompt. Then select a base point. After that, select the objects you want to copy and press Enter. Over here, switch to another drawing if needed. Then paste the objects using the paste command. After that, continue working with your copied objects easily and accurately. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.